and nephews, welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, welcome, 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 and welcome back to you, also to you. And I want to thank all of you for supporting my channel. I have now a little over 2,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate all of your support. Today, we are going to be making hoe cakes. A hoe cake is an old-fashioned southern thing. A hoe cake is nothing but fried cornbread. That's it. They look like just like pancakes, but they're fried cornbread. They are good with beans, peas, greens, and everything else. You can eat them for breakfast, but to me, they just taste good with chili and soups, and they really go good with that just old-fashioned cane syrup. You know, the little with the red label, or the little boy that used to be on the can carrying the sugar canes. But anyway, let me do a flip and a swip so we can get started. We will have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yellow self-rising cornmeal, and you're still going to add, or you can use the regular cornmeal, but you're still going to add this 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Still going to add it. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of white sugar. And you're going to whisk that around first. Get this all whisked together. Oh, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt that was mixed in on top of the sugar. You're going to need a pan. If you got a cast iron pan, they work better out of those. You're going to add 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, little housekeeping, 3/4 cup of oil. Let all that goodness get out of there. And this is 1 cup of buttermilk, but I'm going to start off adding about 3/4 cup of it. I see where I am. And now if you don't have buttermilk, all you have to do is take a cup of regular milk and add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it. And wait till you start looking like it's curdle. And you just mix this up. Now you don't want it runny and you don't want it dry. Because see, the thing about it, you can always add to it, but you can't get rid of it. Because I want it smooth, but you don't want it runny. And you don't want it dry. See this? See this? This is what you want. Make sure your egg is blended. Or you can use a hand mixer if that makes it easier for you. You can use a hand mixer. Little housekeeping over there. See, this is what you want it to look like. Okay, now I'm going to get my pan. Now, some people like theirs a little more runnier, but I don't. So I'm going to get our pan heated. I got my oil here, so I'm going to bring this over and get this heated. Okay, my oil is ready. I tested a teardrop of batter. So I can put that over there. And this is the perfect size spoons for what the size I want them. You don't want them big because, you know, it's hard to flip them when they big. And I'm just going to do 2 at a time. This one I'll go 3. You just like pancakes, you just let them cook until they get all bubbly. And when we're ready to flip, I'll be back. Well, I guess y'all can hang around. When they get all bubbly, we'll be ready to flip. Because you want them done on the inside. Because just like how pancake batter cooks really fast, you want to make sure they're done on the inside. See those bubbles? And I have this on my number 4 setting. You want to cook them on medium heat. See, we got a lot of bubbles. And it's okay, just skim it off. Move it to the side. Skim it off, move it to the side. I've never cooked these on a griddle. I've always just cooked them in a pan. Because see, that one had torn. See what I mean? You want to make sure they're cooked all the way through. Get them bubbles. So, yep. And I'm cooking these to go with something that I'm going to make later. Something that I've been craving these with something else. And if you see some come out, all you got to do is bring it up, flip it, it'll let the other side finish cooking. Same way with this one. Because you don't want to bite into them and have oozing raw dough coming out. You don't want that. I wouldn't want that. Oh, I forgot to get a plate with the paper towel. Our first 2, they're out of the pan. Now I'm working on 2 more in this baby over here. that one burnt on the edge. It's okay. You just take that off. Caden will not touch that. And neither will he. I had turned my fire down. And so I'm going to let those brown and be right back. Look, nieces and nephews, our hoe cakes are done. And I'm telling you, they're not complete without some of this. This, to me, it ain't a hoe cake to me unless I got some of this on it. Let me get a fork and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I call this grandmama syrup because this is what I grew up on. She didn't buy pancake syrup or nothing like that. These were our pancakes. That's it. Don't go overboard, girl. Get that crunch. See that? Cooked all the way through. I wish you guys could taste it, but you can't taste it if you make them yourself. You can taste them if you make them yourself. Right? Right. Thank you for watching my video. My grandmama's Southern hoe cakes. I hope you make these for yourself. I'm telling you, you will love them. No, there's no need to add butter to them because they're delicious without any butter. You don't have to add butter to them. Like I said, I hope you try this recipe. I really hope you try this recipe. It will not disappoint you. Okay, I want you to go out there and you have a great day and be you. But one thing about being you, being great. Being you and bundled up because it's really cold out there, okay? Well, for those that are where it's cold at, okay? And so, until the next upload, tight hugs and kisses to each of you, and I will see you later. Bye.